Wuxi Turbo Auto Power Company Limited is located in Wuxi National High-End New Technology Development Zone. It is a professional manufacturing company for design, development, manufacturing and sales of turbochargers, core balancing machines and other turbocharger repairing machineries. The company was established in 1998 and transformed from Wuxi Habes Turbocharger Works. Our engineers have rich experience of design and manufacturing for nearly 30 years. Habes MHP core balancing machine is required for all turbocharger manufacturers, turbocharger repair businesses, and remanufacturers to meet industry standard quality. Balancing is extremely important to the operation of turbochargers and can only be ensured by testing and correcting using the best equipment available. Habes core balancing machine offers dynamic balancing and testing of small and medium-sized cartridges in higher rotation speed up to 250,000 rounds per minute. Habes core balancing machine applies a world-leading development. Original turbine housing are used as driving parts instead of turbine housing adapters. Therefore, there is no need to bother to buy and modify the adapters for each different model of turbochargers. And our technology stimulates the real working state better, thus provides more accurate measurement and correction of turbocharger vibration. Habes MHP core balancing machine ensures quiet operation and long service life of turbochargers. MHP core balancing machine is fast, easy, and ergonomic to operate. It only takes about 5 seconds to finish the whole speed balancing test. Firstly, turn on the power and the power indicator lights. Turn on the oil power, followed by turning on the PC power. The PC starts and enters Windows XP operation system. Double-click shortcut to FSB to enter balancing test program. In the program, the clock indicates the angle of the imbalance. The diagram shows vibration amplitude against rotation speed. At the top, there are icons for saving and loading the curve. Setup icon is to load the cord eligible line. Bottom here shows the rotation speed, vibration amplitude and angle at the yellow cursor. The yellow bar shows the oil temperature. And the temperature switch can switch off the thermal regulation system. Also, the shroud can be opened or closed by the icon air cover. Next, fix the air inlet of turbulent housing on the turbocharger installation platform by the connection board. Adjust the position of the air outlet pipe to where no big gap and in the straight line with the air outlets of turbine housing. Fix the cartridge on the turbine housing. And connect the oil inlet pipe to the cartridge by quick coupler. Afterwards, connect the oil outlet. And now, remove the shroud, which covers the speed measuring sensor. Adjust the position of the sensor to where 2 to 3 millimeters from the shaft end nut and circle center points to the nut. Subsequently, place the suitable size shroud back. When oil temperature reaches 35 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius, press the oil supply button and rotate the compressor wheel by hand to check that all parts are correctly installed and no parts will be crashed at high rotation speed. Choose the Accord turbocharger model and eligible range. Mark one of the compressor impeller and rotate the marking to the top position. Magnetize the shaft end nut downwards several times. Close the shroud and the cabinet door. Now open the air inlet valve slowly and steadily. When the highest rotation speed is achieved, close the air inlet valve in anti-clockwise as fast as possible. After every testing, the yellow cursor will automatically indicate the position of the maximum amplitude. Read the Accord amplitude and angle. If the testing line, which is white, is above the eligible line, which is green, use pneumatic grinder to remove the shaft and nut according to the extra value and the angle relative to the marking point. Then retest and if necessary further grinded are made until satisfied balance is achieved. The final value can be saved in the computer for later date download and viewing. For Habes MHP core balancing machine, a filtration system including 2-stage magnetic remover and 3-stage barrier filtration is applied to remove metal sword from lubrication oil. The temperature of the oil lubricating system is automatically controlled within 35 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius by combining heating and cooling unit. And the pressure is controlled automatically within 2 to 6 kilograms per square centimeters by the oil pressure control system, otherwise by two-stage manual micro-adjusting. The oil lacking alarm is activated by sensor when the oil level reaches the minimum. Testing data and eligible line of almost all turbochargers fitted on passenger cars, vehicles, trucks and ships are pre-installed into the machine. Kaeceb MHP core balancing machine are used and approved throughout the world, including France, Spain, Portugal, Greece, Russia, Ukraine, Argentina, Colombia, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Australia, and etc. Kaeceb MHP core balancing machine ensures reliability of turbochargers. Nowadays, Kaeceb MHP core balancing machine are becoming one of the most useful and economic solution to turbocharger manufacturers and repairers.